Hi friends, this is Vidhi from craftsvilla.com. I'm here to show you how you can shop on Craftsvilla and get the best out of the products we have. This is the home page of Craftsvilla. You can scroll down and see a variety of products that we have from all the categories. You can also refresh the page to see new and innovative products that we have. If you know the product that you are already looking for, you can go in all categories and choose the category of product that you want. There are also many subcategories in each category which will be shown when you enter that same thing. You can choose from home decor the various categories that we have, jewelry or bags. You can also choose the price range within which you are looking for a particular product. Discover by price helps you choose the product within the price range that you want. This also helps you in gifting. Say if you want to gift a friend something which is within the range of 500, you can choose 200 to 500 and get variety of products from all the categories. Discover by taste is a unique thing that we have. You can choose from the various likes that you have. You can choose if you like bright colors, you can choose I like bright colors and see all the bright colored products there. You can also go for I like herbal, wherein you will be shown all the natural and organic health and beauty products. Discover by seller helps you choose from the various sellers we have, and you will be shown only the product that is made by that particular seller. You can choose by the craft type. If you say want something that is hand block printed, you can just choose hand block printed and see all the products that we have in that hand block printed category. This can range from jewelry to bags to table mats, anything and everything that falls in the hand block printed category. Say if you want to buy something particular, you can go for that particular clutches in bags that you are looking for. As you scroll down, you will see many more products that we have in store for you. In case you don't like or are looking for more options, you can just scroll down and go to the next page as well. Say if I want a particular bag like this one here, which is pink clutch bag from Junk Cart, I'll just click on it. As soon as you click, it will show the product page wherein you have the photo of the product, description of the product along with its price. As you scroll down, you will also see the product details, which has the size of the product, the use of the product, as well as the shop policies. Here you can choose the quantity of product that you want. Say this clutch bag, if I want 2 pieces, I'll just write in 2. You can see the zoom photo of the product when you scroll on it, the beautiful work that is in it. You can just add to cart the 2 products that I want. In case you want to continue shopping for more, just click on continue shopping and go to the next product that you want. Here I would like to go for something like a gift for my friend within the range of 500 rupees. I'll choose this kurti for her, which is of 499 rupees. Choose the size that I want. I want a medium size. I'll click on medium and add to cart. Here you can see the different photographs also which are taken for that same particular product. I'll just add to cart and it will take me to my cart wherein I already have a pink clutch bag from Junk Cart. In case I have any coupons, I'll just apply the coupon here, coupon code, and apply the coupon code. It will show me the price reductions. Otherwise, I'll just go for update shopping cart in case I want to change the quantity of clutch bag now from 2 to 1. I just need 1 clutch. I'll update the shopping cart. Scroll down further and proceed to checkout. I don't have a login ID yet, so I might go for check-in as guest or register. Register normally saves you time for future reference because my address and phone number and everything, all of my preferences will already be saved. So I might go for registration. I'll say continue. I'll write my name, my address, all the particulars, the state option is a drop down menu wherein I can choose the state. I can also choose international addresses here, as we do deliver international as well. I'll choose a password and confirm it as well. I want the same address to be my shipping address. In case you want a different shipping address, you can always choose it and then continue. Here I would also like to show you one more thing, which is octroi charges. In case you live in a city wherein octroi charges are still applicable, there you will have to pay it to the courier person, who will also give a receipt of the same. Octroi charges will be borne by you. Shipping charge is 0 since I have chosen the products which have free shipping. I want to gift it to my friend, so I'll add gift option. I'll choose whom to give and a message for her. Continue. Here I have 2 payment options. First one is cash in advance. Cash in advance is powered by GharPay, which is our associate company. What they do is, as soon as you place an order for cash in advance, they'll confirm it with you to come and collect the cash from you for the order value. They will also give you a receipt for the same. They will intimate us as soon as cash is collected to process the order. We will process the order from our side and the goods will be delivered to you within 10 days. This is a perfectly safe option for people who don't have credit card, debit card, net banking, or are skeptical to use those. This is slightly different from cash on delivery, as in cash on delivery you are asked to pay the cash and immediately you receive the goods. Here you are asked to pay the cash and then the order starts processing. You can also choose the credit card, debit card or net banking option, which is 100% safe as we use secured payment gateway. You can continue placing your order. do review your order, as this will be the final amount that will be charged to you. Here the prices of products are given, the quantities are given, and your total amount is given. The total amount is bifurcated into a base amount and tax. Just click on place order after you have reviewed your order. You can also check the shipping address here. It takes you to a secure payment gateway wherein you can choose whether you want to pay by credit card, debit card, net banking, or even a cash card, in case you have a Dun card, iCash, or its cash card. You can choose your payment option and continue paying for your order. As soon as your payment is made, you will receive a confirmation which will show your order number and the amount charged for you. You can also go to my account section on Craftsvilla and check for the order that you have placed. Thank you friends for being here with us. In case of any questions you have, you can always write to us at customercare@craftsvilla.com or call us on this number, which is 922321177. Our agents are always there for you from 10 AM to 7 PM Monday to Saturday. Thank you.